Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the Standard 11 practical from HTML, and this practical is SOP 4, that is Skill Oriented Practical number 4. Let's begin the screen of the practical. The slip contains write a program using HTML with the following specifications. There are two web pages in this assignment. Both the web pages should be connected, should be linked with each other. The first web page name they have not mentioned, so we will give that is class.html, and second web page name they have mentioned as demo.html. In the first web page, that is in the class.html, we have one table with the number of students, boys and girls. The number is given as 100, 50, 50. For the first row of the table, orange color is given as a background color, and in the second row, green color is given. In the second web page, demo.html, we have standard 11th in bold, stream science in italics, and division A is underlined. Now when we run this web page in the web browser, that is in Google Chrome, we have to link the class.html and demo.html. Means what? When we are on the class.html, as we click on next, the demo.html file should open, and when we click on demo.html, the class.html file should open. So now let's begin for the coding. Okay students, let's see the code for this one. Now here first we have to open the notepad application program, and in the notepad we have to type the code. So two codes are there, two pages we have to do. The first page name is class.html and second page name is demo.html. In the first page, as we have seen, a table is created where the background color for the cells is orange and green. So the first declaration statement start with doctype HTML, then HTML head. Head is included with the title and a slash title, where the title we will give as class, which is displayed on the Google Chrome's tab button. The head tag is closed with slash head. Then the main tag starts with the body, where I have put background color as yellow and text color as red. Then table border is equal to 1. The cell padding is used to give the adjacent spacing between two cells, and the vertical spacing is given by cell spacing is equal to 9. To start with the table row, we start with the tr tag, where the cell contents are written by th and slash th. So here the background color orange is given. So within the th, bg color equal to orange is the attribute of th tag. Number of student is the cell content and slash th is the closing tag. Second cell has boys and third cell has the girls content. Total 3 columns are there. So 3 times we have to write th and slash th. Close it with slash tr as your row ends over there. Then start with the tr again, where you have to write the cell content as td 100 slash td. Td stands for table data. Then second cell td 50 slash td, td 50 slash td, and close it with slash tr. Now here two rows are there, so cell contents are over, and then close it with slash table. As this page is linked with the demo.html, so we use the anchor tag ahref equal to demo.html. The file which is to be linked, that we have to write in this demo, is the link name and slash a, where the slash a is the closing tag for the anchor tag, slash body and slash html. Save this page with the name class.html. Now the second page has doctype HTML, HTML head, title is demo, slash title and slash head. I have changed the body BG color as indigo and text color as white. H1 is the highest level heading tag. B is used to give the bold effect for standard 11. BR is break the line. That means the next tag will come on the new line. I is italic, that is slanting text you will get, and U is underline. Division A is underline. Then again this page is linked with the first page which we have already created, that is class.html. The link name is class and slash a. Now remember students that whichever page you are linking, that should be the another page. The same page you won't link, because as you click on the link it will open the same page. Save this page with demo.html /body and /html. After this we will minimize and run the code. So first I will run the class.html file, where you will see the class.html as number of students, boys and girls, where orange background color is there. Then 150/50 green background color is given. This is a link, this is the mouse pointer, and this is the link where I will click. It will open my demo.html where standard 11 bold, stream science italics, and division A is underlined. As I click on class, it will open my first page as it is, because the linking is proper. When you link the page, then give the same name for the page when you save the file. So this is your assignment.